Guys, today I am about to be I'm playing Don't Press the Button 2. Let's play it. Excuse me. Sorry for burping. Still have a cough. Alright. So press the button. Yo, what is this? Is that a Ferrari? That looks like a Lamborghini. Oh my gosh. Bro. Oh yeah, why do I see a car floating? Do you see it? I can see a red car floating. Did you see that? Rewind a little bit. Alright. Click. And I'm stuffy, you know? Oh no, why is there no music in this game? I don't see no music in this game. Okay. Oh my god! I wasn't done doing something. Oh my god. Well, you can wear. You can wear all of them? You can customize your character? Nice. Wait. Hold on. Okay. Wait, what's this? The lights went out. Find the... Oh, there it is. I can see it. I clicked it. Alright. There's no music? Doesn't matter anyways. I just got a coin. I didn't even collect it all. Oh. Yo. Jump. I made it. Coin. Hey, I got a coin. Mario coin. Bro, that's the exact same guy. That's the exact same character. Oh my god. Run! Get out of there! No, I'm out of here. I'm hiding behind this noob. It exploded. That noob went. Who keeps collecting coins like that? Can I have a flashlight? I will take a hamburger. No, that's it. I mean, Bloxicle, I think. Okay, this. Oh boy! Red corner. Oh my god! Got another one. Two people died. Are you kidding me? Oh no! Who's gonna pick nuts? Oh, yellow. Yellow's the best color. It was blue. Oh my gosh, man! That's not fair. Bro, am I? What? No! Oh, yo, I almost got cut. Yo, I almost died. Did you saw that?
No.
Oh my god.
Crackers.
Yeah. Whoa, is that a trampoline? Is that a trampoline? I love the trampoline. Yeah, it just keeps jumping. If you just still have to jump. I'll stay close. Is that a tornado? Is that a tornado? Is it gonna kill us all? Oh no, it didn't. Okay. What was that? I just saw a slide. Didn't even see it at all. Sorry. Earthquake. Oh no! Where do I go? Where do I go? My screen is shaking. Oh my god, the screen is all shaking. I'm just telling you, it is all shaking. Oh my god. Can I have a car? The other car? Not rocks! Oh, we're so dumb. Oh. Never mind. I thought it will squish us all. Huh. That's nice. Wait, what is this? Shot, wait. Don't touch the lava. Okay, I won't touch the lava. Here we go. I'm not gonna touch the lava. You know what? Wait, did I just saw that girl not die in the lava? Are you kidding me? She's not dying in the lava. She's not dying in the lava.
Wow!
Baldy! Oh my god, he almost beat me up. You almost oof us. Okay. Who are you? And what is this? It's all white and black. I don't know why.
I'm a fire in my laser!
Yeah. Is anyone okay? No. There was just 5. Why is my... Sorry about that. Did you saw my head big? Was it scary? Yeah, it was scary. Wait. Hey, yo. Why am I so tiny? Why am I tiny? Hey, yo, what? Why am I so tiny? Wait, so can someone help me? Why is there 2 items here? Oh my god, I just can't help it. Oh my god. There we go. Where am I? Okay, wait, hold on. I'm going to buy taco. It's raining tacos right out of the sky. Did you see? Did he say savage? Hey, the taco's kind of delicious. Alright. Wait, what is that? What is that rainbow? Is that a rainbow? That looks like a rainbow. Hey, it's me! It's my statue. Wait. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Do it! No! Oh my god! No! No! Yo, she's bald! Look at her! Look at her! He's losing an arm. You see her? He's losing it all. He's losing his hand, and he's losing his hair. Oh my god, dude! Thank God he is. I was not. Okay, I regret that. Okay. Hey, it looks like he lost his hand still. Not gonna lie. Yeah. Who are you? And what is that shirt? And what is that necklace? Are you a girl or something? And what is that name? Wait. Oh. Okay. What's that? Not a UFO, not an alien, not a UFO, and not an alien. Meteor rain? Not meteor rain. Are you kidding me? Now we're gonna dodge the meteors. Now we just gotta look at. Oh my god! Oh boy, that one almost got me. Yo, my god! There's so many meteors. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my god, dude. That's all for now. That's all for now. Let me read that all. Is that a ducky? Can we go inside the ducky? No. Okay. Don't touch the lava. Okay, we don't touch the lava again. Do it. Are you kidding me? So I don't have to touch the lava. Well, it's good to me because I don't touch the lava. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, what's this? Oh, do we have to like get to the top? Oh no! Oh yeah. We have to get to the. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Dude. Oh my god, why, dude? Look at all this. Did you have to make it to the top? Wait, right? The lava is rising into the top? I thought it says racing. Yeah, we'll see. Wait, am I? Are you kidding me? I'm farting. Come on, man. Going down a slide. We're going down a slide. We're going down a slide. We're going down a slide. Can I get this thing off my screen? Whoa! What is this bouncy? Oh, God. God. Well, wait, whoa, my God, I am so big. And why do I walk like that? Well, I walk crazy. Now I'm eating tacos. Oh my God, now I'm gonna get a Bloxy Cola and I'm gonna drink it. All right, so I'm gonna end this video right here. Oh my God, stop. Okay, I'm gonna end this video right here. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. Bye.